Right, good morning, boys and girls. So I hope that you finished your hand and you enjoyed that exercise. And now we're going to look at number 5. So that is what it looks like as a number name, 5. Right, and now we're going to have a look at how we write it. So we must make sure that the belly of number 5 goes to the right hand side. We've just done our left and right hands, so his belly must face right. So I'm going to teach you the little rhyme to say it, but but first of all I'm going to show you how I like to draw a 5. So we're going to pretend that there is a man and he has a huge fat tummy. So maybe he eats lots and lots and lots of boerewors rolls. And then he has a huge glass of Coke with each one that he has. So he's got a big fat tummy. And he's going bald on the top of his head. So that means his hair's fallen out. And if he goes outside without his hat on, he's going to burn the top of his head. So he always wears a hat. So when he gets dressed to go out, he pulls his shirt over his neck and then he pulls it over and he stretches it over his big belly. So now he's got his shirt on over his big belly, and just before he goes outside so he doesn't get burnt, he puts on his hat. So that's the way I like to draw a 5. So now this is the number rhyme that you can also use. Those of you who have ever been lucky enough to go to the circus, a clown is in a circus and you get those fat clowns that run around, and so this rhyme is about a clown. So straight down, line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. So he normally has, that would be his belly, I would say, and then he normally has those dotty pants. Okay, so if you would like to, before you do the work, in your Simply Maths book that I'm going to show you now quickly, you can practice drawing 5 5s in a row on your board. Remember, straight line down, pull it over his neck, over his big tummy, stretch it, and then his hat as he goes outside. Right, so that is number 5. So now let's have a look at your, remember I'm going to put my Cokie away, there it goes, click. So look at page 15, your Simply Maths book. And we did this side yesterday with the colors, and so now we're going to do this side today. There's 1, 2 leaves, so I'm going to go over it with my pencil and over it again, and now I'm going to do 2 on my own. So make it as big as that one on the line and back on the railroad track. And then the last one with your pencil, remember to hold your pencil nicely, around and back on the railroad track. Toot, 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 toot. Right, and you're going to do the same with 4, with 1, with 5 that we've just practiced, and 3 around the tree, 3 kites. And then when you have done that, you can colour in the pictures nicely. And remember, you can really use your colours nicely, so you can make a little brown stem in there, and you can outline. So the pictures are tiny, but you can really make them beautiful if you colour slowly and you put in some effort, that you don't rush to finish. So make it look beautiful. And if you want to, you can mix colours. You can put in a bit of yellow in here so that there's no white. Okay, and I know they're small, but try not go over the lines, and also colour them in colours that they should be. So we don't get blue leaves, or we do get purple sometimes in autumn, but we don't really get blue leaves. And these are little chicks, so you wouldn't colour those in pink or orange. They would be yellow little chicks, fluffy chicks. And the kite and the moth or the butterfly can be any colours, as well as the flowers. Right, so you're going to finish page 15 on the right hand side.